Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be servicing my Peugeot 1.6 HDI. The same for any 1.6 HDI engine. So just going to take off the cam filter box and take the cam filter out, all that, get the air filter out. Got your oil filter right there. Probably don't even need to jack it up because it's quite high off the ground. Get some new oil in it. Should be pretty straightforward. We've all our stuff we've got here. Brake pads to do, some debushings to do, discs there somewhere, discs to do. And I've got a service kit for the Polo, and then I've got a service kit for the Fiat as well. It's coming. It's gonna be busy. But yeah, we'll start off with getting all this sorted. So just going to start off with two 10mm bolts, one there, one there. Remove this. It's not connected anywhere else. I think it's meant to be connected here, but it's not. So get them two bolts out and remove this. Also remove this pipe in here. Alright, so remove the cabin filter. It's down here. That's nice and easy. Just pull this one out, put the new one in. So we're going to try and get this air box off now. Maybe some screws around it somewhere. There's your fuel filter. There you go, change that out. So yeah, let's try see what bolts we've got to remove here. And get them out. It's just a metal. What is going on here? There's shit around everywhere, they're not going to get attached properly. Being botched together, I think. Alright, so we've removed the fuel filter. There's two fuel lines, two connectors there. This is it here. This module is sat inside here. You literally just push it off. It goes in like that, push it off like that. That's the old one there. And where's the new one now? Right. Got the new one here. So, remove this little plug. Just like that. And we've got new O-rings on there, so we'll get them O-rings on quickly and then push it in here. Right, then we just put the new O-rings on like that, then push it in. Just like that. Put this clip over. If you can. Not fits. Oh, there you go. That won't move anywhere now. And then take this one off. Just put it back in. Then we just get the connectors back on, get the fuel lines back on. Pretty straightforward, to be fair. And then also, when we've done this, we've got a little fuel primer bulb here, so you can just squeeze that a couple times. I'll show you after we've fitted this on. And it'll be quite straightforward. Alright, got that all in now. Got the lines on, the connectors in, bottom connector on.
Ready to go.
And we can just push this back over here.
Jumping jacks.
I'll try and figure this out and then take some screws out and some Phillips of the airbox and put the air filter in. Find this bulb as well. Squeeze it a couple of times. Alright, so it's literally just two Phillips here and then it clips on at the back. We've pulled it all out. And here this is. Looks very clean. I mean, that probably could run again a couple of miles. So I don't know really why I'm changing it, but nah, yeah, that's pretty bad, that. Yeah. So yeah, change that out, put that one in, put the new one in there, then put that box back into there, make it sure it's clipped in, and screw this back on. And that'll be that done, and then we just need to change the oil over. Right, that's the air filter all sorted. Not very fun. But I think it's because whoever last worked on this engine just broke and everything, so yours should be a little easier hopefully. But yeah, that's all sorted now. I've all done, fuel filter. I'm just going to start up, make sure the fuel filter's all primed and everything, but I'm going to go and change the oil next, so I'll have a go at that. Alright, so here's the sump back here, and it's a 21mm, so I'm just going to loosen that, drain off the oil into the sump, into this pan, and then we'll take the oil filter out. Right, just waiting on that to drain out. And then got a new crush washer there, put that on, clean that up and put it on there. And I'll screw that back in a second, tighten it up. What size was that?
27.
27mm on there. So we'll take that off in a second. There we go, I've put the sump plug back on. Now we've got the oil filter here. Focus. That's nice. Got it. Got a new one there. And the oil will go black within like me spinning the engine. Got the new O-ring on here. Getting Wesley's finished off sorting that out. Then put it back in here. Give that just a little wipe down. Right, let's see the oil filter all on. Now we're just going to put the oil in. W40. Gonna pour it in or?
I got a free hand it though.
Yeah. Oh. There we go. Just pour that up to how many litres? I think it's 5 or something. So
4 point something.
4 point something. We'll quickly check that. Right, there we go. I've put 3.8 litres in it. It's all sorted now. Sealed one there. Just clean up all this mess. Got to do the debushings as well on the anti-roll bar and change the front discs and pads for the MOT. As you can see, they're a bit ropey. Also, I think, oh yeah, wheel bar on this side. Yeah, I'll just start it and make sure if it sounds alright. Oil okay, if it is. But yeah, I'll just check it every now and then just to make sure that the oil level's right, but yeah, it should be sorted now. Right, that's it all back together now. Cabin filter on. So I think we're done here. Take all our tools back. Happy days. Going to be changing out these brake discs. You see the state of them. If I can show you the back. And then these debushings. If I can get it under there. Shot. So they're getting changed as well. So we'll get on with that. Just a little update on the brakes. We haven't recorded, obviously I've shown you how to do brakes loads. Pretty straightforward. Your 2 slide pins here, just take them off, take the bracket off, inverted torques, 2 of them, disc off, 2 torque bits on there. Pretty straightforward. That's the van anyway, so that side done. Did this one as well. The caliper bracket though, seized and broke So we had to go buy a new one, and they give us a caliper as well, so got a working caliper there, but no, I don't need it. But yeah, it snapped off in there, so we just got a new bracket for it. That's all done as well. And now just need to do the debushings. They're where they are, above there. So that's going to be fun. That's our next job. Alright guys, I think I'm going to do the debushings off camera just because they're a nightmare and I want to try and get them done without filming anything, but yeah, I think that's basically it for the van for the minute. Just trying to organise and get everything sorted because these just I got it like not MOT'd but checked over to see what it needed for an MOT. These are the bits it needed, so get that all finished and done, and then yeah, be able to get it MOT'd. Needs new windscreen in the back, needs under sealed as well, but apart from that be alright and good to go. But I think that'll be that for this video, so thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you later.